Ain't nobody do it better. If you haven't had Haitian fried chicken, you're missing out on life. This right here is seasoned to the bone, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Let's whip it up. Listen, if I don't clean my chicken, my mama gonna have something to say about it, okay? We remove the skin, we scored that chicken so all that seasoning can penetrate. Hit it with some salt, some lime juice, some vinegar. You wanna go ahead and mix everything together, rinse it off with some water. Then we're gonna hit it with some boiling hot water, rinse it and drain it once more so we can season this up. We're gonna be using this it piece from Lakayam. This right here is so flavorful and all you need. If you want yourself a bottle, hit them up on Instagram or call or text that number on the screen. We're gonna drop a generous amount of that it piece. I hit it with a little bit of chicken bouillon, a little bit of ground cloves, just to add a little some, you know what I'm saying? We got some parsley, we got some thyme and a habanero pepper in there. You want to go ahead and boil that for about, let's say 15-20 minutes, and we're gonna drop that right in the hot grease, okay? And you're gonna pull it out when it's golden brown and beautiful like mine is on your screen right here. Let me tell you, this right here is life-changing. You definitely got to give it a try. Go ahead and get you a bottle of that it piece so you can be eating good like me.